Indian Premier League IPL 2025 Sunrisers Hyderabad retained and released player list. Sunrisers Hyderabad retained player list. Number 1 Pat Cummins. Number 2 Henrik Klassen. Number 3 Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. And number 4 Abhishek Sharma. Sunrisers Hyderabad release player list. Number 1 Rahul Tripathi. Number 2 Aiden Markram. Number 3 Abdul Samad. Number 4 Travis Head. Number 5 Glenn Phillips. Number 6 Marco Johnson. Number 7 Nitish Kumar Reddy. Number 8 Mayank Agarwal. Number 9 Shahbaz Ahmed. Number 10 Akash Singh. Number 11 Washington Sundar. Number 12 T Natarajan. Number 13 Jaydev Unadkat. Number 14 Fazalak Farooqi. Number 15 Mayank Markande. Number 16 Umran Malik. Number 17 Anmolpreet Singh. Number 18 Upendra Singh Yadav. Viewers, who your favorite player? Please comment and please subscribe this channel. More video update. Thanks for watching the video.